Look, a flame raptor.
Yes.
Killed. Raptor falls.
More will come.
And now, robot riding raptor.
Yes, this sword robot acts as a protective companion.
Victory!
Wow.
Very nice.
Perhaps this human had coffee before they were uploaded.
Water-based drink.
Water-based drink.
Archers and lava.
Also jump pads.
What a fun combination.
Clone created.
Now the human has a friend.
It is only friends with copies of itself.
It is the human way.
Clone activated. Victory!
Huh, so many ways to die.
The remaining levels have plenty of opportunities.
Flame raptors among the trees.
Time for the human to burn.
Clone created.
The human made a clone.
Very nice. Lucky.
The volcano. Lava everywhere. Raptors with robots.
The raptors love this level. So much fire.
human. Well done.
Halfway there.
Jetpack riders.
A deadly combination.
Pretty cool.
Clone created.
The clone option.
I was hoping for bow upgrades.
Victory.
Ah, poor raptors.
They tried. We arrive at the tunnel
Flame Raptor Edition.
with special guest, Hammerbot.
Clone activated. Victory.
Hee. Did you like the tunnel, human?
A fun surprise.
The land lies in ruin. Raptors falling to the menace from above.
Chaos, fire, death.
Spidertron 6000.
Clone created.
A clone.
Yes,
A clone drone.
yes,
A clone drone in the danger arena.
perfect.
Victory.
Everyone extinct, except the human.
It's okay. Soon every human will be in storage.
I just got a message from the Flame Raptors. What is this? Why are my archers not on fire?
They have a strong preference for things being on fire.
They will have to make do.
Clone activated. Victory.
What robots will the Raptors choose next?
I think you will like it. Do you know what the Mark III Hammer bot needs? A deadly dinosaur companion that can breathe fire.
The final weapon brings a nightmare to life. You are privileged human.
Normally backups take hours.
We were clever and guessed you didn't want to die.
Victory!
Wow, that was epic.
The human defeated all the flame raptors.
Yes, why is it not on fire?
An impressive achievement.